Hello everyone, Sam is here from forexmagicwave.com, making this video about what happened this week, especially today, Friday. And I want to mention this in this video is one very important thing, which I noticed that a lot of people don't pay attention, and it is one of the most important thing that has become a big part of my trading. Okay, which is the US dollar index. It is very imperative to watch this index all the time while you're trading. It depends. It gives you extra confirmation for whatever happens. For example, if the USDX, which is a US dollar index, if it is going up, means that if the dollar is getting strong, all the USD pairs which have the USD on the right hand side will go down. Like euro-USD will go down, pound-USD will go down, Aussie-USD will go down, and contrary, Swissy USD means franc USD will go up. Okay. I mean, sorry, USD franc. Sorry, I said the opposite. So USD franc will go up. USD CAD will go up. Okay, because USD is getting strong. Okay, against the currency. So if the USDX means US dollar index is going down, then the pairs on the right hand side will be going up. All right. The pair will have the USDX. I mean USD dollar. US dollar on the right hand side will go up when the USDX is going down. Dollar index. So this is the opposite. So just keep in mind, and please watch this all the time. I want to show you. I will be showing right now here how I track this and how I made. You will see how many pips I made at the end of the week. All right. So look at this one. This is September 26th. The price was here. I mean, I was watching. I always watch it, but let's start from here. Okay, this was here. I marked these areas that it is on the support. If it bounced from here, it will go up here. If not, it's gonna drop to this black teal, and my target was actually that it probably gonna come down to this yellow area here, and then probably will go up. Right now, so I said, okay, making higher high and higher low, may bounce from here again to go to the upper teal, right? Or may not, drop here and then go to upper teal. Trend line is right there, and the big support there, horizontal support. So I'm in resistance. So now let's see, watch one by one. These charts that I'm showing in this video are the charts that I post time to time while I'm trading in my trading room, so that everybody knows there what's happening, and trade accordingly. So next chart will be showing, this is, I made like a small channel. It was making a channel, higher high, higher lows, and I said that let's this a simple direction indicator, it's like two moving averages, and if it's the 62 EMA on 1 hour chart, if it's holding, and if the price is going bouncing off of it, then the trend is up. If the price is below this, this is it's just my own creation. It's simple. A lot of people uses this. So this is what it is. Now next chart is, I draw a little, it's like a small M. You can see it's like a girdle shape, then a bounce. So I said maybe this is making the same thing, or off a blue line it will bounce, or maybe it's gonna drop here. God knows. So what I was waiting is the bounce. Now this is what happens here, and I thought maybe start going up again from here. So I wrote it here. The trend is up in this chart, but we just made a dip. Okay, so this dip is USDX in USDX, sending EU, GU, and AU up and UF down. Let's wait for USDX trend to resume to the upside, then we will short these pairs with 5-minute entries. That was my plan on the 27th September. The USDX was coming down. It was just a retracement to me, and I was waiting for a big move up. And when the USD start going up, you short all those pairs, blindly, and you'll be okay. So that was my plan. Next, I was it to start going up, and I made few entries which later on got stopped out at break even, because why? The Spanish officials came in, and then they start talking, and boom, okay, euro got stronger, USD start weakening, and came to this blue teal. Now the first step, so is it gonna hold, bounce, or we're gonna drop to black teal? That was a big question. And the answer is always in candlestick formation, if you know what it is. Later, forget about this chart. Later, what happened? No, the blue TL, it didn't work, and the price came down to this bottom TL. This is the TL, actually it's a channel. I connected these two highs, place it here, and look, the price came here. It is also a horizontal support. Okay, so right here I wrote waiting for a bounce, and I put this move, down move extended a little bit more than I was expecting. Some officials from Spain start talking and caused this. Okay, so when yesterday they start talking, it went down. Now here's the moment of truth time, waiting for candlestick formation to see what happens. First doji is made, waiting for a bounce again. Nice doji at support, possible reversal. I was expecting, getting ready, possible posting a second doji at support, possible reversal. I hope it closes this way. Well, step by step, every few minutes, every an hour, 30 minutes, I post this chart in my trading room. Look at this. Okay, so the same thing, same chart, candle. Now morning star candle formation, one more hour to go. It's a 3-hour candle, beautiful morning star. It's a reversal bullish pattern. Again, same thing, boom. Okay, this candle closes here, and then now it took me a little bit more time to post this chart, a little bit, like a couple of hours, because I started building my position on all those pairs according to the DX. Okay, and it started going up, and this is how the DX ended on Friday. Okay, but what it did on the other pairs and how I traded them as my plan. Starting, I'm showing this Aussie USD 4-hour chart. This is called position building. As you see, the DX is on the move. You start putting orders. As I see these candles coming down. Actually, I made my entries on a 5-minute chart with using my different entry strategies. But I'm just showing you the 4-hour chart, basic main charts. What happened actually. And this is again the Aussie in progress. This is the pound chart that I made for somebody was asking, how do I do this? And this is very simple. 4-hour chart, if you can see, I made an entry here. This is supply zone, this is demand zone, and every time the price comes into the supply zone, get rejected, you make an entry. That's it. Simple. It's not a rocket science. It's just keeping learn it and watch it. That's all. So this is what it is. Yeah, this entry was right here according to this, even though I was expecting the USDX give me the confirmation that okay, this pair is gonna go down, and that's it. And then I use different strategies on a 1-hour chart, 15-minute or 5-minute mainly, and make my entries. And this is the trade later on. It's dropping big time. This is Aussie again in progress. This is eur-usd. Okay, these are orders. I started doing that again, and this is USD franc. So all these 4 pairs that I was planned that I will do it, pound, Aussie, euro, and frankie. I open these orders and I close at the end of the Friday, and how I close all these. Okay, so this is, look at this Aussie. All right, so this is again this channel here. All right, with the big divergence on my indicator. And that's it. And then when it was on the channel resistance, USDS was bouncing from a support. So what else do you need? What kind of confirmation do you need? That is 100% solid confirmation. That's what I'm saying. Please, if you want to do trade Forex, get a habit of watching USDX all the time. All the time means all the time. Okay, 4-hour, daily. Just keep watching what's happening on there. Draw your trend line, channel, supports. As the USDX on the move, these trades react. Okay, I mean these pairs. I mean, and there are sometimes what happens is that some Draghi speaking something, and only euro will, on the move, not DX. It doesn't move, so that's separate. But when USDX is on the move from bouncing, from a support or dropping from a resistance, all these pairs will react. You get big opportunity. You can trade all these pairs together, or just open several trades on one pair. It's your choice. This is how I do it when I see the opportunity, big opportunity. Otherwise, it's a 1 trade, 2 trade a day, it's fine. But when you have a solid confirmed USDX move, and all the pairs are either on support and resistance, and they all start moving at the same time, boom. That's how it is. And now, okay, this is what it is as far as the trading and USDX explanation. But I'll make another video about my website is down, and it's a lot of changes. My trading room is and then again I'm starting a copier service again, so I'm gonna make another video explain all that. All right, so thanks for watching. Have a great day.